you want to know how much it's going to cost to remove and replace your roof without leaving the comfort of your own home, without having to call a roofing company, have a salesman come to your house and try to sell you everything under the gun, you know, roofing, gutters, siding. If you just want to know what it costs to remove and replace your roof, go to adamsonroofingcompany.com, hover over the roofing tab, from the drop down, click roof replacement cost, right? Once you do that, that's going to bring you to our roofing calculator. Put in your address, and within minutes, we will map your roof by satellite and we'll give you a very accurate quote regarding what it's going to cost to remove and replace your roof. You're going to get 3 quotes. Renee, what are those 3 quotes going to be?
It's going to be the good, better, and best.
That's correct. Good, better, best. All amazing, all great. But check us out, AdamsonRoofingCompany.com. I'm Renee.
And I'm Renee.
No, you're Renee. He's
Renee.
And I'm Len. And, you know, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.